So this is a student video for Concept 3 of Unit S and Assessment 3 for number 2. As you can see, I had the problem here, and I kind of already started because I kind of stopped the video before I actually finished doing it. So what I basically did was, the question was sine 4x, split it in 2 so you get squared x, so you can replace it with the power reducing formula, which is this, and even though it doesn't say x here, it's still the same thing because it's a variable, and it's 1 minus cosine 2u over 2, and you would get that twice because sine squared x times sine squared x. And then you would multiply these two out to get 1 minus 2 cosine 2u plus cosine squared 2u all over 4. Keep in mind that when you multiply a trig function by a trig function, only the trig function gets squared and not what's inside the parentheses. And let's replace this with m. So it's 1 minus 2 cosine 2u plus cosine squared m all over 4. Keep in mind that m does equal to 2u. Remember, even though I used u here, it's still the same as x. So if you notice, cosine squared m is also another power reducing formula that you can replace it with. So you get 1 plus cosine 2u over 2. So now you would have 1 minus 2 cosine 2u plus 1 plus cosine of 2u over 2 over 4. What you want to do here is that you get this on the same denominator, so it's all over 2. So you multiply this by 2. So you would get 2 minus 4 cosine 2u plus 1 plus cosine of 2u all over 2. And then what you'd want to do there is that this was m, so 2u would go in there, so you would actually have 4u, and then you have this all over 4, and to get rid of that you multiply it by the reciprocal, which is 1 over 4, and then 1 by 4, so these cancel out, so it's going to be 2 minus 4 cosine 2u plus 1 plus cosine of 4u all over 8. And you can combine like terms. If you cannot see them, they are right here, 2 and 1. So your final answer should be negative, or let's do it in order. So 3 minus 4 cosine 2u plus cosine of 4u all over 8. So that would be your answer. You can also have it as 1 over 8 times 3 minus 4 cosine of 2u plus cosine 4u. So those two will be your answers. Thanks for watching.